Mauricio,
How you doing, my man?
I haven't seen you.
It's been a little minute.
How you doing, buddy?
Dude, how you doing, bro?
Have a seat.
Thank you.
Come into this new furniture.
I love it.
It's like
I
the
love it.
First time actually sitting in it.
I love it. It looks so
Yeah.
good. Congrats, man.
How many years has it been since? It's been over, what, 8 years?
Since you
Since
and I
we did
were on
Housewives.
Housewives together, it's been how many seasons now? 8 seasons? And then you jumped into Botch. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, we're 8 seasons right now. We're filming.
So it's 8
eighth
years.
season, yeah. Filming
It's
that.
on- it's
So it's been that long because Adrian and I did 3 seasons.
Yeah.
And look at you and Kyle are still going strong.
I think we're on our 12th season now.
That long?
Yeah, 12 or 13, I'm not sure.
You remember like when we used to film that, you and I, remember even Ken, of course we would tease him a little bit, we would actually have our little guy events out. And
Yeah.
remember we go all the parties, and then of course all the fireworks and everything
That was a
else.
lot of fun.
I mean, that was fun. Remember those trips?
I had so much fun with you.
Hawaii
You and I
trip
had
and
such a
everywhere
good
else.
time. We did so many fun things. We did the Hawaii trip.
Yeah, you miss me, don't you?
I do
it's not-
miss you.
It's not me. I don't know how the folks are on there now, but the hubbies for, if their husbands.
Well, the hubbies have kind of fallen off a little bit. I mean, we're still on a little bit, but when you and I were on with Ken and all of that stuff,
was a
and
lot
we
of
were
the-
a lot more part of the show than we
Really?
are now. And I think, in my opinion, yeah.
Wait, yeah, but so you were doing that. I mean, so
You
you're
were
doing
up
that a
in
little
Beverly
bit.
Park at that time.
Yeah, that was Beverly Park. Remember we had that's when remember the house across the street caught on fire and everything else like that.
Vanderpumps.
There was a lot of good things, good friends, good friendships, and also some stress.
Yeah.
With doing that, at least on my side.
Oh, I know.
But now look at us. I mean, look at 8 seasons botched, and now you
I'm starting
you
buying.
have your show on.
I'm starting on Netflix. Bought it. Starting buying Beverly Hills on Netflix in this fall, probably November. It looks like.
Oh, isn't that great?
So exciting.